Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add product categories onto Squarespace. So first off, you want to go on your dashboard here of your desired site. Now from here, you just want to go to products and services. On products and services, go to products. On products, if you already have a couple of products made, you can change it from here right away. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to change a name things here. For example, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to scroll down. You can scroll down manually or you can go on the left hand side here and you want to go to organization. Now, as you can see here, there's already categories right here, right? So just click on this plus button here. If you already have categories made, you can just click the check button to add to add this product onto that category. But if you want to add your own categories, I'm just going to add a cheap, for example. If you don't see anything come up, you can just click on this button to add it. And you can add it by checking the button again. You can also rearrange this if you like. So like this, right? After that's done, you can click on done and you can click on save. Once you click on save, you'll be redirected onto the product page yet again. You can search the product by tags and categories. For example, I had cheap earlier. I'm going to search cheap. And as you can see, it came up like this. I'm going to add a new product here to demonstrate again, add product. And I'm going to click on physical or services if you like, but I'm going to do physical. And on physical, I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to call it pads, for example. Now just scroll down. Again, go to organization, click on categories, and just add the categories you got earlier. Oh, also, what I did earlier when I tracked the cheap section here, I accidentally put it as a subcategories. Now that's the thing I want to talk about as well. A subcategories like this, like it's a drop-down menu, right? So if we're selling, it'll either be cheap or maybe it can be expensive, right? So I'm just going to add expensive as well. Expensive, for example, here, I'm going to click on add and I'm going to drag this new category under the selling one to make it that subcategory. So when we're selling something, it can be expensive or it can be cheap. Now for this one, I'm going to call it expensive, right? I'm going to click on done and I'm going to click on save. Save. There you go. Now give it a second. Now it has pants and it has things. Now let's see. If I search cheap, will pants come up? It does not. If I search expensive, let's see if pants comes up. Pants comes up.